And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
All right, let's get the latest information on Tropical Storm Gordon. We're in the quietest period that it's going to be for days now, as far as Gordon is concerned. Because notice, the heavy rain has left Florida, and it hasn't made it to the Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana coastlines yet. But that is going to be changing later on this morning. The rain is going to start to move in. And here's the center of Gordon. We've still got some time before the worst winds get to the coastline again. But the problem is this is now the peak time for Gordon to strengthen because the waters here are really warm. There's not a ton of wind shear. Fortunately, it's in between land and it's moving pretty quick. So the good news is that it's moving at 17 miles per hour. If it was moving slower, we'd be really concerned about its opportunity to intensify. But because it's moving at a pretty good clip, it's going to run out of time to intensify. That said, we do think that it's going to end up making landfall as a Category 1 hurricane. In fact, making it to hurricane strength either later this morning or early this afternoon. Then will stay a hurricane until it makes landfall late this evening into the overnight hours, most likely along the Mississippi coast. Could end up hitting towards Louisiana or maybe along the Alabama coastline, but more than likely somewhere along the Mississippi coast is where it's going to be making landfall. Storm surge, though, is going to be from Alabama on through Louisiana, 3 to 5 feet above normal tides, tons of rain, strong winds, hurricane-force winds. It is going to be an absolute mess. Now, notice how quickly the winds will be dying down. By tomorrow afternoon, only 40-mile-per-hour sustained winds in central Mississippi, but we still expect some wind damage and some power outages even in central Mississippi. And then the flood threat is going to continue well beyond to the north. Now, our weather, what Gordon is going to do is it's going to increase our rain chances. Not today, but for tomorrow. Our rain chances are going to be the highest they've been in a long time. Now, 8 a.m. this morning, only a few showers along the coast. But starting around noon, 1 o'clock, a few showers of storms will start to pop up in inland locations. This is going to be like yesterday, where some people might get lucky, maybe see a half-inch of rain if you get right under a thunderstorm, but there are going to be a lot of people missing out. Notice 4 o'clock this afternoon, a little bit of green showing up, but not much. Still going to be hot today, maybe a little bit cooler than yesterday. The heat index today around 106. A little better, but not much. Still not comfortable. And by 8 o'clock this evening, I do think we're going to be dry. But late tonight, I think the rain is going to start to return. And I will put in a 10% chance for a few showers late tonight and early tomorrow morning. And perhaps not just along the coast, but in some inland locations as well. Now, look what happens around noon tomorrow. Yeah, more green showing up, and not just green, but actually some yellow and orange, some pockets of heavy rain. And notice how they spread into the upper valley. So we're talking scattered showers and storms for tomorrow afternoon, and I still think there are going to be some isolated showers around into the evening and overnight hours. So overall, tomorrow, going with a 70% chance of rain. It has been a long time since we've had a rain chance that good in the valley. Today, just more of the same. 99, the heat index around 106, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Some will get lucky and see rain, and a lot will miss out because the overall chance is just at 20%. And winds aren't going to be that strong, only around 10 miles per hour. Tonight, very light winds, and it's going to be dry during the evening hours, but late tonight, I think the clouds are going to thicken up. It's going to become mostly cloudy, and I do think there are going to be a few showers late tonight. Now, check out the temperatures for tomorrow. Low 90s, and that's significant because the last time we had an average high temperature in the low 90s was August 5th. Since then, it's been mid to upper 90s, and in McAllen, it's been triple digits. We have not seen a high temperature below 100 degrees since August 5th. I think finally, 1 month later, it's going to happen tomorrow. Very good chance of rain. Scattered showers and storms both Thursday and Friday. Back to isolated showers and storms for Saturday, but still, I think back to scattered showers, storms Sunday. And look at our high temperatures staying in the mid to low 90s, which is right around normal for this time of year.